Good afternoon, Coach Fran here in between clients and classes with a really quick, healthy, sustainable lunch. When you're cooking for one or two, it does not have to be costly and it doesn't have to take a ton of time or even planning. So here goes. High protein, high nutrient, high fiber, low inflammatory, great lunch for you. Last night's leftover Asian grilled chicken. Last night's leftover grilled pineapple. I just spun fresh arugula and mixed greens. By the way, quick tip, spinner's gonna save you a ton of time. Throw that on the plate, half a piece of pineapple, fresh chiffonade basil that I already had washed, roll it up in a paper towel, about a teaspoon of crumbled feta, and probably a little over a teaspoon, maybe, just a sprinkle of my famous French lemon Dijon vinaigrette made with April's organic maple syrup. Bon appetit.